Hello, Judy here from Thistledew Creations, and I'm just going to give you a quick flip through of a Christmas gift that my husband got me this year. So I sent him off to Michael's with no direction really of what I wanted, but he came back with these items. Now this he might have got at the dollar store, I'm not sure. It's hard to say. Could have been from Michael's, but just paper shreds, which I can use to package things, or I can also use it for gift giving or for making paper. And two of my favorite colors, and then a package of pens, which I can always use, good ballpoint pens. And then the main thing were these gift bags in all these pretty pastel colors. There's quite a few of them. I've got all the spring colors. I can do lots of different Easter themes with them. I think that's all the colors, but there was quite a few. So that's going to be fun for my Easter. Like these could each be a journal even. I could do a bunch of Easter journals with those. And then some yellow paper flowers. Again, good for the Easter crafting. And some lettering stencils, which I can use with my inks. So 4 different ones. Block letters, italic block letters, lowercase, and then a smaller one, which has both upper and lowercase. That was a nice gift. And then 2 paper packs, cardstock, I think, 24-pound, shades of red. And so it's all pinks and burgundies and reds, and shades of blue, Cape Cod. And so all the different dark and light periwinkle and bright blues, my favorite color. And then some graphite pencils, might get into some sketching with those. And a heart paper punch, love hearts. Valentine's crafting is coming up. And then a couple packs of studio index cards. These ones are from Dollarama, $1.50 for 100 cards. And these are the colored ones, yellow, turquoise, pink, and blue. And then 2 packs of white ones, $1.25 for 100 for the white ones. And a lot of people are doing altered index cards now too, so I haven't done any, but I can do them now. And a thing of Elmer's clear washable glue, which I have found to be a good glue. I have a small one here that I've been working through. The same exact thing. And so that's always good to have more glue. And some little itty bitty clothespins, which I think are adorable. And some stencils, so just a stencil value pack with 12 different stencils in it, and it has shapes, a grid, some like tags, shapes, rainbow, a circle, flower, some banners, a whole bunch of different, including a hexagon one, which will be quite useful to me. So I can't wait to get using some of those things. And then a thing of 12 Sharpies, precision Sharpies, so they're the finer tune, ultra fine and fine permanent markers. So those will be fun to do some ATC. I want to do some hand-drawn ones, so I think those will be fun to play with. So I think he did really well for getting me things to craft with. He knows how much craft supplies I have, and I'm sure it must have been a little hard to figure out what to get me, knowing that he knows I have everything I need, but there's always more, right? So I'm really happy with these pens, pencils, and markers for sure, and the papers and the bags. Lots of great things to play with. So thank you, Brian. And if you'd like to see haul flip-throughs videos, I do quite a few of them, either for gifts that I get or shopping trips that I make or Happy Mail that I get. And also then just the junk that my sister collects for me. Those are great videos. I know I always get ideas from videos like that. So if you like watching that kind of thing, subscribe, like, comment, share. Comment if you see anything in any of my hauls that you'd like to swap for, because I'm always up for a swap. And we could work something out based on what you have available. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.